To the Englishman, this is a stone, and this is also a stone. But to the Yoruba, they are two different things. This one is alive, while this one is dead. Now, let me explain. The Yoruba word for stone is ota, but really, that word applies to more than stone. Ota simply means anything that is hard, anything that is capable of hitting you hard. The word ta itself is a verb that means to throw something, like ta offer. That is why ota is the Yoruba word for bullet. That also explains why the word ta is used to describe the taste, the feel of eating pepper and the sting of insects. So this stone is ota. It is rock solid, hard. But this one is okuta, oku, ota, a dead stone. Why dead? Because this one is natural, while this one was made of cement and sand, artificial. So we call it okuota, okuta, while this one is called ota, alive, because it is from a rock. This one does not possess the energy that this one has. This one is artificial, this one is natural. In the Yoruba belief system, the rock is alive, not dead. This is why rocks are even appeased as Orisha. Rocks are so considered alive that even in the Oriki of Olodumare, we find the line, Òyígíyigì, Ọ̀tá omi. Ọ̀tá omi refer to the rocks in water, very smooth, very strong, forever alive. And therefore, we liken that potency to the eternal glory of Olodumare, Òyígíyigì, Ọ̀tá omi. Non-living things are actually not non-living things, for they also possess their own ashe. They are alive. For more of interesting, insightful videos like this about the Yoruba culture, please go to waasere.com. Waasere.